Okay, our topic for today is changing dissimilar fractions to similar fractions. Now, these are dissimilar fractions since the denominators are different. We will change them into similar fractions. When we say similar fractions, the denominators are the same. Now, how to make the denominators the same? So we will get the LCD, the least common denominator. Now, how to get the LCD? First, let's get the denominators. Okay, we will be dividing this by a number which is a prime number. So let us think of 2. Okay, since 3 cannot be divided by 2, we will just copy still 3. Now, 4 divided by 2, the answer is 2. Okay, now, since we have noticed that these numbers are already prime number, if we multiply 2 times 3 times 2, which is equal to 12. So this is now what we call the LCD. So let us write 12 here. Okay. Let us divide 12 by the denominator 3. So 12 divided by 3 is 4. 4 multiplied to 2, the numerator, which is 8. Same process, 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. You multiply with 1, the numerator, the answer is 3. So we now have the fractions 8 over 12 and 3 over 12. The denominators are the same. They are now similar fractions. Okay, let's have another example. Changing the similar fractions to similar fractions. The given are 3 over 4 or 3/4, 1 over 9, and 5 over 6. Since the denominators are different, they are called dissimilar fractions. Now, let's make it similar. Okay, let's get the denominators 4, 9, and 6. Let us think of a prime number that these 3 numbers can be divided or even by 2 numbers only. So, since 9 and 6 can be divided by 3, I can use 3 here. 4 and 6, okay, can be divided by 2, I can use 2 also here. Remember that the prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, and so on. So I'll be using 3 here. Since 4 divided by 3 cannot be, so I'll be copying 4. 9 divided by 3, the answer is 3. 6 divided by 3, the answer is 2. Now, the numbers 4, 3, and 2. Let us think of these numbers, okay? We have noticed that 4 and 2 can be divided a prime number 2. So let us still divide. Let us just continue dividing until we reach all prime numbers. So 4 divided by 2, the answer is 2. 3 divided by 2, since cannot be, we will just copy 3. 2 divided by 2, the answer is 1. Now, look at these numbers. Are they all prime numbers? Yes. So, meaning, 3 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 1. If now we multiply these following numbers, the answer is the LCD. Okay, so 3 times 2, which is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. Okay, 12 times 2, 12 times 3, I mean, the answer is 36. So, this is our LCD, 36. Now, let us try to prove. Let us put 36 as the denominators. Okay, same procedure. Dividing 36 by the denominator 4, so 36 divided by 4, the answer is 9. Multiplying to 3, that is 27. So 3/4 is the same as 27 over 36. Now, 36 divided by 9, the answer is 4. Multiplied to 1, still we have 4. So 1 over 9 is the same as 4 over 36. Now, the last one, 36 divided by 6, the answer is 6. Multiplying to 5, the answer is 30. 5 over 6 is the same as 30 over 36. Now, we have noticed that the denominators are the same. They are now similar fractions. Okay, so this time we have 4 fractions. They are dissimilar. We are changing them to similar fractions. Now, we will get the what we call the LCD of 2, 4, 6, and 8. Again, we will be thinking of a prime number we will use to divide these numbers. Now, I will be using 2. I want the 2. 2 divided by 2, the answer is 1. 4 divided by 2, the answer is 2. 6 divided by 2, the answer is 3. 8 divided by 2, the answer is 4. Now, for example, you are thinking these are the factors. Since 4 is not a prime number, we will just refer on this. We should be having prime number only. So, let us still divide by 2. Okay? So, 1 divided by 2, since cannot be, I'll be copying 1. 2 divided by 2, the answer is 1. 3 divided by 2, since we cannot divide, the answer is 3. 4 divided by 2, the answer is 2. Now, look at these numbers. Are they all prime numbers? Yes. So we have the LCD, 2 times 2, times 1, times 1, times 3, times 2. So, we may just disregard ones. Okay, so 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times 2 is equal to 24. So 24 is what we call the LCD. Now, let's write 24 as the denominators. Okay. Let us try to divide 24 by the first denominator. So 24 divided by 2, the answer is 12 times 1, which is 12. So 1/2 is the same as 12 over 24. Next one, 24 divided by 4, the answer is 6. Times 3, which is 18. 3/4 is the same as 18 over 24. 24 divided by 6, the answer is 4. Times 5, the answer is 20. 5 over 6 is the same as 20 over 24. Now, let me erase this one. 24 divided by 8, the answer is 3. Times 3, the answer is 9. 3/8 is the same as 9 over 24. All fractions have the same denominator. They are now similar fractions.